Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set and view extensions that are installed in your Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open mo lang ang Microsoft Edge web browser, and then dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots, click mo lang ito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select yung extensions, so i-click lang ito. And then dito ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung Microsoft Edge extension installed mga kaibigan. So nandito siya. And then pwede mo namang itong i-manage extensions. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung mga installed extension natin dito sa Microsoft Edge web browser natin. So dito ay pwede mong enable or i-disable yung bawat installed na extension. So i-click mo lang tong button na to kung gusto mong enable siya or disable siya. Ganito siya. Alright? And then next ay pwede mo namang makita yung bawat details ng extension. So i-click mo lang tong details and then mayroon ditong kanyang descriptions, permissions, and then yung site access. And then click mo na tong arrow na to kung gusto mo on all sites, on click, or on a specific site. Alright, so select ka lang dito. And then next ay pwede mo namang itong i-allow in private or allow access to file URL. So check mo na tong box kung gusto mong i-allow in private or itong allow access to file URLs, check mo na itong box or uncheck mo siya. Alright, and then pwede mo itong i-remove kaagad. Okay, so click mo lang itong remove. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-set and view extensions in Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.